Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and happy Monday. I do apologize if I'm losing my voice a little bit. I thought I was recording about 20 minutes ago, and then I finished my video, was going over to my computer to click start recording, and I realized I didn't even start recording. So now that I am recording, let's get this video started. Our pattern this week is going to be very, very similar to our pattern last week. The heat and humidity is not going away anytime soon, and on top of that, our rain chances are going to continue to remain on the small side, all thanks to high pressure dominating our area. It's going to be another very hot week with very little to no rain in the forecast. The only big change to this video, unlike last video, is we are now looking at a potential brand new tropical disturbance forming just off of our coastline as we head over the next several days, but I'll tell you more about that coming up in just a few minutes. For your day tomorrow, upper 80s to around 90 for both Horry and Georgetown County, mid 90s as you head further inland under partly sunny skies. Can't rely on an isolated shower or storm, particularly throughout your afternoon hours, but once again, we should be remaining rain-free, that is, as we head over the next several days. Like I just mentioned, high pressure continuing to dominate the whole entire country. One of them is going to be very, very strong over portions of the central and southern plains where excessive heat warnings are in effect for over 100 million people. So it is just going to be another very hot week, not just for us, but also for them out west. But we have another ridge of high pressure currently dominating parts of the Atlantic Ocean, and both of these ridges of high pressure are going to kind of combine forces and, like I said, make for another very hot and humid week, to say the least. Just how hot will it get? Here's a look at your temperature and heat index forecast for our beach communities over the next 5 days. Upper 80s to around 90 every single day. Once you factor in the humidity, it'll feel like 95 tomorrow, 98 to 99 for your Wednesday and Thursday, and then we really bump up that heat index as we head into your Friday and Saturday, potentially as high as 107 degrees. And I really don't even have to point at a particular day as you head further inland, considering it's going to be the exact same story almost every single day as far as temperatures go. Mid 90s every single day. Once you factor in the humidity, 97 tomorrow, 101 to 102 for your Wednesday and Thursday. And then like I just said, for our coastal communities, it only gets, or excuse me, it's pretty much going to be the exact same thing, 106 to 107 for your Friday and Saturday, so please be sure you are staying hydrated, as heat exhaustion is definitely a worry when it comes to this type of heat. Let's take a look at what's going on in the tropics. We currently have Invest 95L approaching the Leeward Islands. It only has about a 20% chance of becoming a named storm over the next 5 days as it heads into the Caribbean. And the reason for that, there is a ton of wind shear both in the Gulf of Mexico and also in the Northern Caribbean. And wind shear hates any sort of tropical systems, whether it's an invest, a tropical depression, a tropical storm, or a hurricane. You definitely do not want any wind shear if you're looking for a tropical storm to develop, and that is exactly what this invest will be fighting. So bottom line, this is no threat to our area. I will be watching this brand new area of low pressure that the National Hurricane Center has now begun to investigate. They've given it about a 20% chance of forming just off of the coast of the United States of America. And like I just said, there is still a lot of wind shear, especially right along the eastern seaboard, and because of that, chances of formation are pretty small. With that being said, I'll continue to monitor it, but as of right now, I would not say it's anything to worry about, but obviously, I'll keep you posted and let you know immediately if anything changes. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast. First off, for our immediate coastline, a very, honestly, I guess you could say, nice pattern over the next several days. Not much change, probably sunny skies every single day, about a 20% chance of rain in the afternoon as we get the daytime heating. Still very, very hot. Temperatures in the upper 80s to around 90 before falling into the upper 70s overnight. It's really a kind of subtle week, if you want to say the least. Not much changes, although it will be very, very hot and humid, and I do not know why my camera is now starting to glitch. Let me finish up this video real fast. Probably sunny skies are expected every single day. About a 20% chance of rain every single day as well. Temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 90s every single day. Overnight lows falling in the 70s.